Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope all of you fine. And in the Aman of Allah, let's start our work. Please open your Urdu book page number 2. Open your Urdu book page number 2. First of all, we learn the letter Alif. Alif. There are two family members in the family of Alif, Alif and Alif Madda. Alif is the first family member. Okay. Now Alif, Angur, match Alif with Angur, Alif, Anar, Angur, Anar. Next come to our letter Alif. Right here, how we write letter Alif, up to down, straight, up to down, straight, up to down, up to down, again up to down, 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 again up to down, up to down, again up to down. Okay, now I have a colors. Color with me grapes. Anar, a angur, a anar, a angur, a anar. Now I have a red color. Done. Now open your English textbook page number 2. English book page number 2. Today we have the letter A. Today we have the letter A. How we write letter A? Make a C like this. Now up to down and make a tail. Letter A. A for airplane. This is airplane. A. Trace with me. A. We write small letter on two mid lines. 1, 2. Show me your four fingers. Now fold your little finger and index finger. Now we write the letter A on these two fingers. Make a C, then up to down and make a tail. A. Again make a A. A. Make a C, then match their corners and make a tail. C. A. Again make a C, up to down and tail. We write a small letter on mid two lines. Now make a C with me, up to down and tail. Make a C, up to down, tail. Again make a C, up to down, tail. Again make a C, up to down and tail. A. Letter A. This is letter A. Now open your book page number 105. 105. This is the capital letter A. This is small letter. This is capital. Capital A, small a. A for X. A for X. We write a capital letter on upper three lines. 1, 2, 3. Upper three lines. 1, 2, 3. And then small a write on two middle fingers. Trace with me. Up to down. Again up to down in opposite direction. Then match these two lines. A. Trace with me. Up to down straight. Make a C, up to down and then tail. A. We write capital A on upper three lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. and we write small letter on mid two lines. 1, 2. We skip these two lines and write on these two lines. A, small a. How we write? Up to down, and then again make a leg of A in different direction. A. Now small a, make a C, tail. Up to down, again up to down, and make a small a. Up to down, straight. Make a C and tail. Small a. Up to down, again up to down, straight. Make a C and then make a tail. Up to down, again up to down, straight. Make a C and then A. Up to down again and make a small a now. Up to down, straight. Make a C, tail. Up to down, again up to down, A. To down, again up to down, A. Now we have complete our English work. Now open your social science book, page number 3. Open your social science book, page number 3. Today we learn about parts of face. Today we learned about the part of face. Let's start. Hair. This is my hair. Hair. Forehead. This is my forehead. Hairs. These are my hairs. Forehead. This is my forehead. Eye. This is my eye. Ear. This is my ear. Nose. This is my nose. Chin. This is my chin. Lips. These are my lips. Now students, touch your hairs. Where is your hairs? Forehead. Touch your forehead now. Eyes. Touch your eyes. We can say with our eyes. Okay. We can see with our eyes. Ears. We can hear with the ears. Touch your ears. Nose. We can smell with the nose. Touch your nose. Lips. These are your lips. Touch your lips. Chin. This is your chin. These are the parts of your faces. Hair, forehead, eye, cheek, nose, chin, lips, ear. Okay, now open your social science book, page number 4. Open your social science book, page number 4. Tell me which picture is this? Ears. These are our ears, and this is hair. Hair. Match the picture with the correct part of body. Match the picture with the correct of parts of body. Okay. Earbuds. This is earbuds. Comb. Okay. We can hear different things, musics, and much more things with earbuds. Through ears, we can match the ear with earbuds. Comb. We can comb our hair with the comb. Ear with the earbuds and comb with the hairs. Ear match with the earbuds and match the comb with the hairs.